On behalf of my colleagues at the Department of Surgery and Division of Vascular Surgery at Hofstra Northwell, I would like to thank the Journal of American College of Surgeons for allowing us to present our work, which is on peritraumatic amputation after lower extremity fractures. First of all, why do we choose peritraumatic amputation? There's been multiple studies that have shown mangled extremity severity scores obsolete and have used new analysis tools to predict the likelihood of amputation. Furthermore, we found significant number of patients receive amputation during subsequent admission, which are often missed in the analysis of index admission. So we decided to look at risk factors for peritraumatic amputation and introduce an ML framework that predicts it. It is important to note that we're not building a best model for predicting amputation, but introducing a framework that can do this. In fact, we use a very non-granular data set, National Readmission Database, which we argue is not the best way to do this in practice. So what does it look like? We use random forest and XGBoost from nonlinear machine learning frameworks and logistic regression from linear frameworks. And we found that logistic regression-based models have the best predictive ability. We also use another trick called near miss to increase the sensitivity of the model. But the question of whether the highly sensitive model or highly specific model should be used, it depends on why the question is being asked. And as we argue in the article, this could be quite different. At the end, I would like to hope that ML frameworks will not only improve the workflow of trauma team, but also decrease the number of futile attempts at limb salvage.